a day I'm going to Malta to big hotel. In the morning I go down, I go eat a breakfast. I tell the waitress I want 2 pieces of toast. She brings me only 1 piece. I tell her I want 2 pieces. She say go to the toilet. I say you don't understand, I want to piss on my plate. She say you better no piss on the plate, you son of a bitch. I don't even know the lady and she called me a son of a bitch. I don't need this. I go to eat at a bigger restaurant. The waitress brings me a spoon and a knife, but no fork. I tell her I want the fork. She tell me everyone want a fork. I tell her you don't understand, I want a fork on the table. She say you better not fork on the table, you son of a bitch. I don't even know the lady and she call me a son of a bitch, a son of a bitch. I don't need this. So I go back to my room in a hotel, and there is no sheet on the bed. Call the manager and tell him I want a sheet. He telling me to go to the toilet. I say, you don't understand, I want a sheet on my bed. He say, you better not sheet on my bed, you son of a bitch. I go to the checkout and the man at the desk said, peace on you. I said, peace on you too, you son of a bitch. I'm going back to Italy. Arrivederci. I don't need this.